What's up, my Tesla friends? Just a really quick video here to show everybody the new radar that I got. I had the R7 Extreme installed in my car for some time now. Fantastic detector, absolutely nothing wrong with it. I'm just a little OCD and I always like the latest and the greatest, so I just switched over to this guy, the R8 Extreme. I think this is about $700. I grabbed it off Amazon. This guy right here, about $500. I'm actually going to sell this to whoever wants it. Might put it on eBay unless somebody messages me here. I'll sell it to somebody in the United States. I'll work out a good deal for somebody since I'm not using it anymore. Comes with all the pieces, parts, everything. It's in perfect condition. But anyways, this is my new one. It's got a little bit longer range. A few more little features that are probably useless to 99% of the people. But I think it's cool just by the way it looks. So anyways, got it installed. I have a BlendMount holder or mount on it. That port on the side of the R8 is actually for Uniden's radar laser jammer that's going to be coming out soon. It's not out yet. But let's see. But there it is. Really good looking radar, and it works just as good as it looks. Got it hardwired in. The hardwire was done by my friends over at Ultimate Auto. Perfect job there. And yeah, so if anybody's curious to what the Uniden R8 looks like installed with the BlendMount, there it is. So while I'm here, this is my newest wheel that I just got put in. All carbon fiber on the top, vegan black leather on the sides with that white trim. Looks pretty cool. It accents the car really cool. But yeah, that's about it for now. I have a rear diffuser that I ordered that should be here anytime now, and I'm gonna make a video of the whole install process with that getting put on and how that looks beginning to end so people can see it. I had a hard time finding a good carbon fiber diffuser, but I haven't got this one yet, but I've read reviews and I know some other people that got it and they really like it a lot. So anyways, that's my quick video on the Uniden R8 Extreme detector, and if you have any questions, let me know.